this video, I'm going to show you how I made $15,294 in commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing using TikTok. This method is perfect for beginners and I'll break it down step by step so you can start earning commissions with one of the most powerful free traffic sources out there. First, I'll show you guys how we can find high converting Amazon product that people are already searching for. Then I'll show you how we can create simple TikTok videos that drive thousands of clicks to your affiliate links. Then I'll share and how we can scale this strategy to generate consistent passive income with Amazon affiliate marketing. So if you are ready to turn TikTok into a free traffic machine and start making money online with Amazon affiliate marketing, this video is for you and you don't need to miss this information and those methods that I will share for free. So make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. So first, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Amazon associate affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, this is my affiliate account with Amazon. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I made this commission just in, let me show you, just in 28 days, okay, of this month. Okay, so step number one, you guys need to create an Amazon affiliate account. So go to Google and search for Amazon associate. Click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page. Click on sign up like this, then click over here on create your Amazon account, and all you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. You should see here your summary, okay, commissions and bounties over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that people are already searching for that you can promote on TikTok to earn commissions. Okay, you cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. This business doesn't work like this. You guys need to promote product that solve problems for people so people can pay for those products and for you you earn commissions. Okay, I'm gonna share with you one of my profitable product that I'm promoting on TikTok and you can just copy and paste. So what you will do next, you will go back to Amazon, okay? Go back to your Amazon account like this, open amazon.com like this, click on the search and search for lose weight, okay? So, did you know that millions of people every single day searching for product that can help them lose weight? Millions, and I will show you guys the proof, okay? So, search for lose weight, scroll down, okay? You will find a lot of products here on Amazon. Make sure to choose product that are related to lose weight, okay? So let me scroll down to show you some examples and show you the proof that people already paying so much for this product. You guys can see here, this is one of the product that can help people lose weight loss. You see here, okay? Do you see here? 7,000 people paid for this product multiple times, okay? People just keep, those products are evergreen products, meaning that people can pay for those products, they can buy again and again because those products help them to solve this problem, weight loss, okay? So I will search, this one is good, like this one is good, okay? But I'm gonna search if I can find a good one that has a lot of reviews and a lot of people already paying for do like this products, okay? So I will scroll down here, weight loss, I have this one, you guys can see this one here, over 1,000 people paid for this one multiple times. We have this one, Ali, okay? You guys can see this one, it's also for weight loss. Do you see here? 17,000 people paid for this one multiple times. 25,000 reviews. This is a good product that's for you that you can promote like this one, okay? This one is good, okay? If we scroll down, we can even find more. We have also this one, guys. Over 10,000 people paid for this one multiple times. This one also is good, okay? And we have Regional weight loss. We have also this one, over 20,000 people for this paid for this one here, but I will choose this one. This one is good for me. Okay, this one, Ali. I will click on this product. I will click on this one. So so how we can find a product that will make you so much commissions? It's you need to find product that solve big problems for people, and people will pay. Just show them the products, they will pay. They are every single day searching for how to lose weight. Millions of people searching for those products, searching for solutions, and these products will help people who have this problem, weight loss, to fix this problem. And that's it. That's how you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. So you will click on the product, you will be directly in this product page you see here. So this product, they have, let me show you. So what we need to do next is we have here videos. Let's click on videos. You see, we have videos here, and we have videos for this product. If we scroll down, let me check this one here. So we have people who already paid. Let me stop the video. We have already people who paid for this product. They are sharing their opinions and their experience with this product, and they are satisfied. Okay, those people are happy with the results. Okay, you see here, if we click on show more, we can find more people here sharing their opinion about this product. Okay, so for you, what you will do is you need to download one of those videos that we will use to promote this product on TikTok. So here is what you will do. You need to click over here and go to extension and go to visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, after that you need to install this extension in your laptop, Amazon Video Downloader. Install this extension in your Google Chrome. Okay, this one, you guys can take screenshot or you can save the name. After you do that, you will find your extension here. If you click on your extension, here you go, you will find a lot of videos here from this product page that you can use. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna use this one. I will just click over here on download, and I will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader. Okay, pay close attention, and here you go, this is your video. Click on download video, and the video will be downloading to your laptop. You see here. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to edit this video. What you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva like this, and click here. Let me show you. This will be, guys, it's super easy. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video here and click on TikTok video, and you will be directly in this page. Click here on upload and click on upload file. Okay, and upload the video that you download from Amazon. Let me go to downloads here so I can find my video, and here you go, this is my video. I will click on open, and here you go, your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Let me show you. Okay, you see, click on this 3 point, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Okay, let me check. Okay, so this customer is giving his opinion about this product and how this product help him to lose weight. Okay, and that's good, that's what we need. So what we will do next, we need to click on text and scroll down and choose which text style you want to use. I'm going to use, for example, this one just to show you. I will click on this one here. I will delete this one. The second one, I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here. Double click, and I will put here check link in bio, because you will put your affiliate link in your TikTok bio, and that's it. So let's put this one here. Click on element And pay close attention, go over here to ships and choose this one here, and put this ship behind your text like this, and here you go. Check. Okay, check link in my bio. So people who will watch this video on TikTok, people who have this problem, they will check your TikTok bio and they will click on your affiliate link. They will buy this product from you. You earn commission. Let's check. Okay, let's check. And here you go, your video is done. You can click on share and click on download, and the video will be downloaded into your laptop. What you will do next, you will go and open your TikTok account. TikTok is it's for free. You guys can create TikTok accounts and just go to Google search for TikTok, click on the first link and open your TikTok account. Click here on select the video, upload your TikTok account, your TikTok video to TikTok, okay? And after that, go back to your Amazon product page, go back to this Amazon product page. So how you can get an affiliate link to promote this product? You just need to click here on get link, okay? And here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link that you can use to promote this product. Copy this link, go back to TikTok and put your link in your bio, okay? That's exactly how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok, and that's how we can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from TikTok. And if you are serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and more. It's the exact system I use to generate consistent income, and I'm sharing all my secrets with you. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.